Budgie, Budgie, Budgie. Eagle, Eagle, Eagle. Woodpecker, Woodpecker, Woodpecker. Crow, Crow. Bird of paradise, Bird of paradise. Canary, Canary, Canary. Parrot, Parrot, Parrot. Pigeon, Pigeon, Pigeon. Nightingale, Nightingale, Nightingale. Seagull, Seagull, Seagull. Ostrich, Ostrich, Ostrich. Stork, Stork, Stork. Wild goose, Wild goose, Wild goose. Swan, Swan, Swan. Flamingo, Flamingo, Flamingo.
Music time! Birdie, birdie, flying high with their colors in the sky. Let's count them one by one, singing loud and having fun. Budgie goes,
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Eagle jumps, he leap.
Woodpecker goes, tack, tack, tack.
Four crow shouts loud,
Caw, caw, caw.
bird of paradise twirls so bright. Six canary sings with all its might. Seven parrot says hello, hello. Eight pigeon fly so soft and low. Nine nightingale sings a lullaby. 10 seagull laughs while flying high. 11 ostrich runs and shakes its head. 12 stork lifts one long leg instead. 13 wild goose goes, ho, ho, ho. 14 swan says, ooh, smooth and true. 15 flamingo stands on just one toe with pinky wings and a happy glow. All the birdies sing with us with fluffy wings and colors. Thus let's laugh and dance and fly around in birdie world where joy is found.